Scientists all around the world are vigorously attempting to discover the genomic contributions to brain structure and function. With very unique and complex data, the field has been fraught with setbacks such as small sample sizes, a lack of reproducibility, and heterogeneous populations. Overcoming these issues requires a boost in statistical power. We need big data. ENIGMA, a BD2K-funded program, is using big data to help solve these problems. ENIGMA discovers markers in the human genome and lifestyle factors that affect the brain, its complexity, and our risk for brain disease. Now in its 8th year, the ENIGMA Consortium consists of over 700 scientists from 35 countries. ENIGMA brings together experts in medicine, genetics imaging, and mathematics to conduct the large-scale studies in neuroimaging. It is already a worldwide leader in 15 brain diseases. In the past year alone, ENIGMA has published the largest ever studies in schizophrenia, bipolar disorder, major depressive disorder, and OCD, as well as spearheaders of many analytic approaches to genomic and neuroimaging data. By pioneering methodologies within neuroscience, ENIGMA is cracking the brain's neurogenetic code. Please visit enigma.usc.edu for more information.